Welkom in Africa. We start with a new series on my YouTube channel, and I hope that you will join in and enjoy what I'm trying to say and do. As a short blurb, I want to start with this morning. Did you know the very first verse of the Gospel of Thomas, one of the earliest and most mysterious texts about Jesus, says the following: Whoever finds the interpretation of these sayings will not taste death. That is wild. This isn't about believing in dogma anymore. It's about discovering truth within yourself. Jesus never was a figure that wanted or needed to be worshipped. He was and is a guide, a divine teacher, pointing us towards the divine light already inside of us. It's not about blind faith, repeating sentences as Paul wants us to believe, but it's about awakening. The Gospel of Thomas challenges everything we thought we knew. Want to hear more? Follow along. We're just getting started.